Your Honor, you're muted. You murdered.
Welcome back. This is Bear County Court at Law number 6 on the Bear County Veterans Treatment Court plea docket. This is Thursday, the 28th of October, 2021. And we are now ready to go forward on Ms. Desiree J. Gutierrez, cause 657-885, represented by Mr. Wayne Young. Mr. Young, are you ready to proceed?
Ready, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Gutierrez, the first document I have for y'all to identify your signatures on is entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video Conference. Is this your signature on this document, ma'am?
Yes, it is, sir.
Thank you. And Mr. Young, as attorney for Ms. Gutierrez, is this also your signature on this document?
It is, Your Honor.
Thank you. And Ms. Gutierrez, do you have a camera that you can turn on so we can see you?
Yes, give me a second. Let me turn on.
If you can't get it to work, it's not life and death. Ms. Gutierrez, is it not working apparently? Ms. Gutierrez, can you hear me, ma'am? Ms. Gutierrez, do you hear me? Ms. Gutierrez, can you hear me, ma'am?
Okay, she just left, so she may be joining again, Your Honor. Hold on. She's coming in. There she is.
There she is. Ms. Gutierrez, can you hear us, ma'am?
Yes, I can.
Hey, thank you. Appreciate it. Okay. Back on cause 657-885. The next document I need to chat with you about your signature on is entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court's Admonitions, that purports to have your signature on the back, effectively waiving certain constitutional rights you must waive in order to enter a plea before this court. In fact, ma'am, is this your signature on this document also?
Yes, that is my signature.
Thank you. By signing this document, are you telling me that you've had enough time to either read this document or have it read to you in its entirety? If you had any questions about what was on this document, those questions were answered to your satisfaction by your attorney, Mr. Young, so that in signing this document, you're telling me that you agree with and understand everything on this document. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, that is correct.
Thank you. Mr. Young, as attorney for Ms. Gutierrez, have you had enough time to go over this case with her? And in your opinion, is she mentally competent?
I have, Your Honor, and in my opinion, she is mentally competent.
Thank you. Ms. Gutierrez, are you a United States citizen, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Mr. Young, has the state fully complied with discovery for you on this case?
They have, Your Honor.
Okay. And Ms. Gutierrez, in cause 657-885 to the charge of harboring a runaway child, how do you plead, ma'am?
I honestly plead innocent.
All right, Mr. Young, do you want to go in a chat room and have a chat with Ms. Gutierrez about how this works and what she would like?
Yes, yes, sir.
All right, Pat.
I'll put you in room 1.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
And we can come off of YouTube.